Hey, what's going on? It's Michael from Fit Pro Solution. Just wanted to share with you a little bit about the chat widget, which is a super cool feature inside Fit Pro Solution. And you can access this by going to sites, and then along the top, you'll see chat widget. And what the chat widget is, it's a small piece of code that you can add on to any funnel or website or any website, even if it's not inside of Fit Pro Solution, that can basically pop up. And when you click it, you'll see, or your user, your clients will see it come up right here, and you can actually edit what it says at the top here. Have a question, answer your question below. Representative will get back to you. It automatically will collect their phone number, but you can also check this field right here to add their email, and then there's a little legal message right here. And then when they click send, it will navigate to, it'll show thank you, and you'll actually see their message inside of the conversations tab. And so if we go over to Chat Widget, I'll show you how you can add this to your funnel or to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and hit get code, and I'm going to just hit copy code right here. And you can see here, copy this code in the body or the footer section of your website. So I'll show you how to add that to a funnel or a website inside of Fit Pro Solution. So I'm just going to go over here to yoga website right here. And I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to put it right here in body tracking code. You can also go ahead and just check right here if you're in Fit Pro Solution. Some of the funnels and some of the websites, if you go to their settings, you can actually just check it on right here and enable it. But if for whatever reason you don't see this, you can go into the body tracking code and you just paste that code right there, hit save, and that'll put it inside of all of the website pages here. And you can see right here, let's say test, put a number, need help, send. And then what you can do is you can come over to your conversations here, and you can see this person said, I need help. And then you can respond and say, how can I help you? And then it would send out. This is obviously not a working phone number, but that's how it works. And then the same thing for your funnels. If you come over here to settings and you put the paste here, or if this appears, then you can actually just check it on right there without the code, and you'll be able to see that in here. So that is the chat widget feature. It's super awesome, and you can basically reply via text message. It's not going to reply in this window itself. So that's how you can use the chat widget.